Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. So in today's video we'll solve a question from mathematical statistics. So the question is, if x and y are two independent log normal variates, this x, y and x by y are also log normal variates. So how do we solve this question? For this, first we have to write down, let log x minus let log x belongs to normal mu1 comma sigma 1 square and log y belongs to n mu2 comma sigma 2 square, and u is equals to x comma y and v is equals to x by y. Now from here what we can do is, so log u will be equals to log x plus log y. You know the formula, log xy is equals to log x plus log y, and which belongs to or which tends to normal mu1 comma mu2 mu1 plus mu2 comma sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square. So we have this so far. Now if you try to find log v, then it will be log x minus log y, which tends to normal mu1 minus mu2, which belongs to sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square. X and y are independent. So x and y are independent. So it is asked, if x and y are two independent log normal variable, then x and y and x by y are also log normal variables. So for this we have done it this way. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, I'll be giving you my number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.sauravsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other links for mathematical statistics. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.